Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, I've been saying for the last week or so, I think this is either going to be an ABC right here, or it's going to potentially be a WXY. The difference is that if it is a WXY, then potentially it's going to make more of a three-way pattern, like a 1, 2, 3, which it looks like that is more than likely what is going to play out as. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm actually looking for confirmation of a turn back up. Now, if this is like a wave one, a wave two, a wave three, perhaps we're in like a wave four right now, and then maybe we'll go down for a wave five. Then if we break structure to the upside, that's probably the end of a wave C, and that's probably the beginning of another impulsive move to the upside on the daily, which would probably be a wave C of wave Y, because like I said, it looks like this is potentially playing out as a WXY on the daily and likely not an ABC. So that definitely is a big difference between an ABC and a WXY, because a wave Y would be an ABC of Y, and wave C would be an impulsive five-wave pattern. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.